Right, ladies and gentlemen, I want us to look at detailed drawing of engineering drawing N3. Detailed drawing of engineering drawing N3, question 4. Question 4, which is this one, question 4. So figure 4 on the next page shows two views of a pulley assembled. So that one, it's a pulley, it has been assembled for us. So we have to draw the following 4.1 and 4.2. So this 4.1 and 0.2, they're supposed to be drawn according to the the scale 1:1. So whereby they are saying we have to show item 1. So they are saying show the following views in first angle orthographic projection. Item 1, a full sectional front view of item 1 as well as the two top view of item 1. So 4.1 is supposed to be drawn in in orthographic projection, and then 4.2 you draw 4.2 on its own. So item 1, so figure 4 figure 4 item 1, so which is this one. So it is standing like this, so don't worry about this one, since I've said this is the previous question paper that was written when 19 November 2020. 19 November 2020. So this is the previous question paper of engineering drawing N3. So let us look at the question 4, which is a detailed drawing. So where is the item 1? So this is item 2, which is the pull. Item 1 is this one. There it goes. It as far as you know, item 1 it usually be the bigger one, but not always. Don't cram it like that. So item 1, this is item 1. See this one. There it is. There it is. There it is. There it is. Item 1. So we have to draw item 1 a full sectional front view of it and the top view. So if they say the top view, which means an outside top view, you understand. So you are going to draw an outside top view of item 1, which is this one. There it is. There it is. As well as this one, because this one is no item 2, it's item 3 actually, item 5 if you check it there. So this one, item 5 is that pin, so which means this one is still part of item 2. This one still part of item 2. So now let's draw. So using a scale 1:1, so you have to start a little bit up of your drawing sheet, just a little bit up of your drawing sheet. So I'll start to draw somewhere here. So I start to draw this faint line like this. Then I can draw another one faint coming this side. Another one that is coming this side. So right, I hope you can see my faint lines. So this corner from here till there, from here going down. So from here horizontally, I can record the dimension of 110 millimeter. 110 millimeter. There is my 110 millimeter. So where my 110 is ending, I can put the horizontal, vertical, faint line. So all of these lines for now are faint. So from here till there is 110 millimeter. So now what I can draw now, we set the dimension that we see is from here till here 115 millimeter. This one from here till here, and let's get this one because we are told to okay 60. So from here till here 60, from 30, from here till here 30, so that from here till there is 60 millimeter, isn't it? So which means on the vertical component or faint line, I can record this dimension of 30 and 60. So there by 30 I can draw the center line now. So this is the center line. There by another 30 I can draw a faint line. So from here till here is 60, which is which one? Is it this one? Is it this one from here till the 60? Then now from the center, which is this one, going down, from here going down, I can record this dimension now of 115 millimeter, which is from here till the 115 millimeter from the center, 110, 120, so 115 is this one. There it is. 110, 120, 115 is this one. So I can even draw dark without fear or favor. This one, dark. Which one is this one? Is this one. There by the bottom, from here till there. Understand? So with my 115 millimeter, I can go back with what? With 15 millimeter. You see, from here till here. So while I can even draw it dark. I can even draw it dark from here till there. Why? Because I'm having a well recorded line at an angle of 90 degrees vertical. So where my 15 ending, I can put a horizontal faint line. Yeah, you understand? So just zoom it out a bit. Then from there, so now what can we do? So which one I can draw now? I can now come this side from here, coming this side with how much? 40 millimeter. Yeah. You understand? Can you see it? Yes. So there's my 40. And I can even draw it dark. So where my 40 ends, I put a vertical faint line. Up I go. Faint, which is which one? From there till there. I draw it faint. Then from there, so I can record the thickness of it is 10 millimeter. From here till there, 10 millimeter. There's my 10 millimeter ending. Then I put another vertical faint line. They said a full sectional front view. So now I've got this gap, which is what I was supposed to do even this side. Like this. We go. So, which means even this side actually, it was supposed to be done same way. There you go. It won't be a sharp corner, so from here till there, have it done solid like this. Okay, so now the height of it is automatically there. So now I can go up. It will go up till way at this point. You remember how to go to this point? You understand this one? From here till here 30, from there till there, so that is 60, which is diameter 60, not diameter 50. The diameter 50 is for item 3, you understand? So but it's diameter 60. So there is the 60 they are talking about. Understand this one? Then from there, what are we gonna do? we are going to get this shape, but before we get the shape, we're told to go from here till there is 20 millimeter. You understand? So which means I can get it simple like this. There is my 20 ending. Then where my 20 ends, I put a vertical line so that I get this. So from here till there, dark. Then again, if from here till there, which means again from here till here has to be the very same what 20, because from there till there is the same as from here till here. You understand? So which means it's going to be 20 plus 10 plus 20. So which means this from here till here is actually a 50 millimeter. So 20 this side again. There is my 20 ending. Then I draw a thin line, project it till down there, because you're going to need it when you are now completing your top view. So now I can have this one dark now from here till right there, sort of like this. So now I can join this one dark up from here till there, which is going to be this one. From here till there, and from here till there. And now I can close it here, dark. Right, there will be one more line, which is the supporter. With this one is still part of your item 1, this line. So we can, it's out of your angle, it's out of an angle. You just use your 30 millimeter ruler, you join it like this. You understand? After you've gotten it like this, so now let's see the hidden detail. So from here to there, it will be straight dark. Now from here till here, it will be straight dark. You see that one that is, it's like slanting, is talking about is actually item 4. You see, it's actually item 4, that one. So as the one that we are looking for, it will be this one. From here till here, it will be dark. From here till here, it will be dark. That one we won't even throw, is now item 4. And inside item 4 there is item 3. So let's see the dimension. From here till here is diameter 40. You understand? It's diameter 40. So which means right from our center here, we're going to say half of 40, which is 20. Half of 40, which is 20. You understand? So let's do it. I can easily put it at 20. Then I mark at 40 and mark at 0. You understand? Then from there I can take my T-square and have this one dark like this, and have this one from there till there dark like this. So by look of things, we are done with what? With a full sectional front view of item 1. Let's confirm that. Remember, this is the top view, projection symbol. This is front view of item 1. So this is it. So from here till here it will disappear. We didn't even draw. You understand? So these two views, which is the 4.1.1 and 4.1.2, they must be drawn according to orthographic projection. You understand? So which means this top view, we cannot draw it anywhere we like. You understand? So the law of orthographic projection has to be observed. We cannot draw anywhere we like, anywhere within our drawing sheet is convincing as such that we can say it's gonna fit there. It has to be below to this view of yours. By doing that, which means you follow the protocol of what? Of orthographic projection. So I am going to separate my views with 20 millimeter. So from here till here is my 20 millimeter. So I draw a faint line. So now I come to construct all the points that are behaving how? Vertical. This one, this point, take it down. This one. So this one is already down, this one. Take it down, which is this one. Then this 10, construct it down faint. The second one, down faint. Then this one, which one is this? It's this one, A1. So you construct it down as well. There you go. Then the last one, like this will go. Right, so which means our top view must start here and end there. So let's check the width of our top view. So the length of it, both the front view as well as the top view, they will always share the same length. If they are saying from here till here it's 110 millimeter, which means automatically even from here till there, from here till there is the same as 110 millimeter. But the width they set is 80 millimeter from here till here, 80 millimeter. So my 80 it will start here or where any of these vertical lines. My 80, there is my 80, and the half of 80 is 40. So I can draw this one, and the half of 8 is 40, which is gonna give me the center. I can draw it, the center. So this is my center. Then after I've gotten the center, now let's come back and have this one. And have this one. Oh, you see that we were actually correct by saying if from here till here is 20 there by our front view, from here till here is 20 plus this 10, that's 30, which means again from here till here has to be 20. They are confirming with us there by our top view, which indeed from here till here is how much? Is 50 millimeter. So now we are going to get what now? Because this 50, we know the, okay, of course we have it. Now from here till here, from here till here, a march. From here till here, the set is diameter 60, which means again from here half of 60, from here half of 60, since it's diameter, isn't it? So which I'm going to say 0 and 60. Once I have that, so this 50 is, we automatically have it. So I can have a faint line that's gonna behave like this, from here till there, and from here till there. So this one I can have it dark now, from here till there. Again, remember they set a top view, which means it's an outside top view. So these ones, it's good as if this one from here till here, from here till here. So now I can close it. I can close it. Understand? By having this one dark. Again, this one dark. Right. Once we have that, let's complete the outside. You see, we are not given radius of these corners, and they are not sharp corners like these ones, the bottom part of our front view. You understand? So which means we will be using this one from our ruler. So there it is. Even this side, Here it is, the side. There it is, the side. Like this we go. Like this we go. If so, these ones, from here till here, they'll remain there. So, which means it will be dark here and dark here. Dark here is those support, dark here. Which is which one? It's this one. From here till here. A1. So, which means again down here, without fear or favor, it's supposed to be shown dark. You understand? It will be dark. And again, this one, this one, we are going to see it clearly. And it's you see they are telling you it's diameter 10. There it is as hidden. So it will be up here clearly now. They said it's 10 millimeter, so going to be 5 this side, I mark it 10, 5 this side, I mark it 0. So now I have the T-square, so from here till there, dark. Since it's starting here, from here till here, isn't it? There by your top view, and again there by your front view. So from here till there, dark as well. So it has to be like this. So we are going to have hidden details. Hidden detail. So I can simply take my T-square, this hidden detail, place it here, from here till here. So now I come to my top view and come and place it here. I mark this side and also mark this side. So these ones, they will be in hidden. So they're supposed to be drawn hidden. So you know how to draw a hidden view. So it's dash 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 dash. So there it is, like this. So if you have drew your top view like this, consider yourself in order. Let's see, is there anything left? Do we have some holes there? No, we do not have. So we do not have. So if you have drew it like this, now you can come to say this is your front view, this is your top view of item 1. Understand? So which means when you label, you are going to say, when you label, going to say 4.1.2, this one, then this one is 4.1.1. Then up there, come and say this is 4.1. Like this, understand? So this is 4.1.1, then this is 4.1.2. Understand? Just like this. So now let's go to 4.2. This is 4.1.2. Let's go to 4.2. Understand? So 4.2, the question say draw a pulley item 2 showing a half sectional front view with the top half in section of item 2. So you have to just go to your assemble and trace item 2. So item 2 is which one? Is this one? Item 2. There it is. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. Item 2. And you have to be careful. Is it like, okay, this one is what? Item 5. This one is item 5, which is that pin which is locking item 3 in item 2. Okay, all right. So we can start. So it'd be advisable to draw it near to your item 1, because it was actually assembled there in item 1. So I'll just extend this faint line like this. Then from my item 1 away from item 1, I can record any dimension as long as it's not less than 20 millimeter. You understand? So from here I can start to draw my item 2. So item 2 from here till here is the same dimension as this one from here till here. So remember that this was together, isn't it? So I can easily extend this line, this feint, like this, and this one like this. You remember when you are given these items for you to combine them, to make to assemble them, they will be the way as I'm drawing this item 2. It will be just right next to where it's supposed to be fitted, in fact. You understand? So that is why even this item 2, I'm just drawing it right next to where it was fitted, if you get me what I'm trying to say. So now let's see, now from here till there, I say dimension of 15 millimeter, another 15 millimeter. Then this 15 millimeter is then the question they said what, showing a half sectional front view with a top half in section, You understand? So which means the bottom part of it supposed to be remain as an outside view of item 2. Okay, so it is given us from here till there is 30 millimeter. Okay, and another 30. So we're gonna get to the center. So from here 15, which is going to be our center, and 30. So right from this one I can have the center, so this center is this one, the center is that one. You understand? So the outside diameter of this item 2 is 100. So you're going to say 100 millimeter divided by 2, you are getting 50. So I can easily put it at 50 like this, and mark it 0 and 50 and 100. There is my 100 millimeter. Then there is my 0. Understand? So where I've gotten this, I can just construct a feint line, horizontal, and where my 100 ends, again here, right here. Then from there, from here, I can have this one solid from here till here, dark solid. Which one is this? Is this one from here to right there. Anyway. After I've gotten that, so I am going to divide this 20 millimeter into 2 again from here so that it's going to give me this one. Understand? From the center, which is this one, 20 divided by 2 is 10, so there is my 20 and my 0 is right here. So it's going to be faint line here and another faint line going up, so which means also construct this one, there you go. So I can have this one dark from here till there and from here till there. Understand? Even up there, have this one from here till there, dark, and from here till right here dark. So which one are those? It's this one and this one. You understand? So now let's see what we can do. So since the set half sectional with the top half in sectional, so which means this one they will be constructed till here, till your center, as well as this one to my center, as well as this one to my center. Was the set with the bottom half in section, then this is supposed to be radius 13. So now let's see where to go. So this one, which is this one, it will be okay. So now here we go. From here till the dark like this, even up there. I want to be accurate, this one. So from here till the dark like this. So if you've gotten that, now I can have it dark here, and right here I can have what? A center vertical line here as well, which is going to give me what? A hole. This hole, you can see it clearly there by your top view, and it's diameter 6. That one is diameter 6. So as much as it's diameter 6, it's going to be 3 mm this side and 3 mm this side, and the set a half sectional front. So that is why we are drawing the front, not the top. Understand? Because the this hole, as much as you see it like this, which means you're seeing it on its top like this. Understand? But this one with its height, which means you're seeing it from what? From the front view. So which means I'm going to say 3 mm this side, 3 mm this side. 0, 1, 2, 3. So 5, 6 here and right there. So on the upper part, it's going to be in dark, but once it touch here, faint. Again here, solid, but once it touch here, solid. So now, without fear or favor, I normally like it to have a solid vertical. Yeah guys, this is part 3. So we had to erase from here till here, and from here till here again, from here till here on the hidden details, from here till here on the hidden details as well, because of why it seems to be hidden from here till here till down, because it's now talking about item 5. But if we remove this item 5 and we remove this item 3, this hidden detail will start from here till here, because they will be stopped by this one from here till there. That is why they will start from here till here, because from here till there is now a hole of diameter 20. You understand? It's now a hole of diameter 20. So that is why you have to be very careful when you get to such kind of problems. Understand? Again, from here till there, you understand, from here till there it will disappear, from here till there it will disappear. Because why is like that? Because they are saying item 5 is fitted there, but if we remove item 5, item 3 it can easily go out. You understand? Item 3 it will easily go out regardless of there is no washer in this bolt. You understand? Which is item 6. So it would be like this. So now let's get this radius here, the set radius 13. So you take your drawing compass, you open it to 13 millimeter. 13 is, this is 13. So now I am going to place it along this vertical center line, but knowing very well Uti, it's supposed to start from here till here. So I can draw. Here it is, radius 13 millimeter. So I've gotten this one. So what you did here, you are going to do it even on this other side, but this side seems to be going out of the page, so you have to try to just to get it. So this one from here till there, go back a little bit out of the page. There you go. Then you draw it dark. Like this. So with the upper part in section, so now you can have your 45 degrees set square to section this one now. So I'll start to section here, and here we go, and there we go, there we go, there we go. Your hatches, they must be equally spaced at an angle of 45 degrees. So the last one, it should be right there. So this, then you can come to say 4.2. You see, 4.2. So this is 4.1. This is 4.1. This is 4.2. This is 4.1.1. This is 4.1.2. So now section 4.1.1. So our hatches, they will start being sectioned from where? If I can zoom it out for you, so I can start to section now. My hatches, they will be different. So this one, decide to face this side. There you go, here, dark here, there you go, there you go, there you go, equally spaced. Go. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Go. There you go. Just a piece there, but up there is now coming. It's now coming up there till there. There you go. There you go. So that was the full sectional front view of item 1, and the top view. If they just say under the top view, which means they are not saying a sectioned or not sectioned, you understand? So this is item 1, this is item 2. Half sectional with the upper part in section of item 2. So this one is to close there, this one become dark there. So let's see, is there anything left? So no hidden details, it is necessary. No hidden details, it is necessary, which means if you have put the hidden details like us, like us, the way we've put them even in our top view, we are not going to get penalized. If you have input them as well, they're not going to penalize you to say why it didn't show the hidden details. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. That was Mr. Nkosi. See you on the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe so that more videos will be uploaded. Subscribe and like the video you are watching. That was engineering drawing N3, detailed drawing of this previous question paper. And if you check here, we did this one. So this is the detailed drawing of the very same previous question paper that was written on the 18th November 2020. Alright, bye, donkey. See you on the next video. Okay.